So you've decided to start using video to help with marketing, but you're not sure where to start. We can help. I'm Matt with Push Focus Media, and in this video, we're gonna give some tips on how to make sure your content is as effective as possible. Number 1, prioritize the first 10 seconds. People don't have long attention spans, and there's always something new for them to switch their focus to. You need to convince them that your video is worth their time. One effective way to grab their attention is to immediately tell them what the video is about right when it starts and how it will benefit them to watch it. If you want to show your logo or branding, wait till after you catch their attention. Number 2, keep your video as short as possible. It depends on the content of your video, but if you can get your point across in 1 minute, do it. Research shows that instead of just watching the first bit of the video, if they see your video is too long, they won't even start to watch it. Number 3, focus on a message or a story, not on sales. People buy with their heart, and they want to feel a connection with your brand. If they start to think your video is just selling a product, you'll lose them. Number 4, create an attention-grabbing title and a thumbnail. A viewer should know what your video is about just by reading the title, and it should entice them to watch it. And it doesn't hurt to use some relevant keywords in there so that the video shows up in their search. Number 5, include subtitles. Video is being watched more and more without sound on. I mean, think about it. You're out in public, you're scrolling through your feed. Nobody wants to be that person that turns the volume up. So if your video has subtitles or captions, your audience can still get your message without turning their sound on. Number 6, include a call to action. If you do everything right and you make an amazing video that engages your audience and shares your message, it still doesn't matter if your audience doesn't know what to do next. You have to tell them specifically. Do you want them to make a purchase? Do you want them to visit your website? Do you want them to share the video? Whatever your goal is, you need to make it clear. And on that note, we'll end with our call to action. If you're interested in finding out more about video marketing and how it can help your brand grow, go to pushfocusmedia.com/marketing or click the link in the description below. And subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on incorporating video content into your marketing plan.